Imagine this. You're tackling multiple tasks, trying to get everything done at once. How many of you feel confident in your multitasking abilities? While I can't see your responses, I'm willing to bet many of you consider yourself skilled multitaskers. Hello everyone. Today's lecture focuses on self-assessment and personal reflection regarding multitasking. We'll explore and identify your individual multitasking style and pinpoint areas where you can make improvements. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to recognize your own multitasking habits and styles, understand the impact of these habits on your productivity and well-being, identify areas for improvement, develop a personal action plan to enhance your efficiency. Let's begin with self-assessment. Take a moment to think about your typical day. How often do you find yourself tackling multiple tasks? Do you listen to music while studying? Do you check your phone during lectures? To help with this, I want you to complete a brief self-assessment after this lecture. It includes questions like, how often do you switch between tasks in a given hour? Do you feel more productive when multitasking, or do you find yourself making more mistakes? Now that you've thought about your habits, let's discuss their impact. As we have learned in our previous lecture that what we often consider multitasking is actually task switching, which can lead to cognitive overload and decreased efficiency. Imagine you're cooking dinner while helping a friend with their homework. You might think you're saving time, but in reality, you're more likely to either burn the food or give incorrect advice because your attention is divided. So, how can we improve? The first step is to identify the specific areas where multitasking hinders your productivity. This requires honest reflection. Ask yourself, when do I feel most overwhelmed? What tasks do I often combine that lead to mistakes or stress? Let's say you notice that you frequently check social media while doing homework. This might be an area for improvement. Recognizing this pattern is the first step towards change. Finally, let's create a personal action plan. This plan will help you transition from multitasking to more focused work habits. Here is a simple framework. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve in a specific time period. Prioritize tasks. List your tasks in order of importance. Allocate time blocks. Dedicate specific time blocks to single tasks using techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Minimize distractions. Identify and eliminate common distractions. This might mean turning off notifications or creating a dedicated study space. If you're studying for an exam, set a goal to review 2 chapters in 1 hour. Prioritize this over other activities and allocate 1 hour block free from phone notifications or interruptions. Complete the self-assessment questionnaire provided. Write a 500-word reflection on your multitasking habits and identify 2 areas for improvement. Thank you for your attention today. Understanding your multitasking style is a crucial first step towards improving your productivity and well-being. I'm excited to hear about your reflections and action plans. Have a great day.